Hello engineers, welcome back to our channel Civil Student. Engineers, today let us discuss the topic of total station. Before starting to our video, please subscribe to our channel and press on bell icon for more updates. Now let us discuss the topic of total station. The idea of total station is developed from tachyometer. The total station was invented in 1975. Now, the total station is the combination of electronic theodolite and electronic distance measurement instrument and microprocessor and electronic notebook. The related parameters like coordinates, areas, corrections, etc. are calculated by microprocessor, and vertical distances and horizontal distances are also calculated by microprocessor. Now let us discuss basic measurements. Horizontal angle, vertical angle and sloping distance are basically measured by the total station. Now vertical angles are always measured by means of zenith. Zenith is a point which is vertically above the total station at infinite distance. A vertical angle in total station is 90 degrees, suggests that the line of sight is horizontal. As you can see in this picture will tell us the zenith. From zenith only the vertical angles are measured. For example, if the angle is 60 degrees, then it is measured from the zenith only. From zenith only the total station is measured its vertical angles. Now for measuring of horizontal angles in electronic theodolite, a circular glass disc is taken with each angle represented by barcodes. As the instrument swings in the horizontal plane, a scanner sweeps across the barcode on the glass disc and displays the corresponding horizontal angle. By this way, total station measures its horizontal angles and vertical angles. So now let us discuss about how horizontal distance and vertical distances are actually not measured by the total station. They are calculated by the microprocessor by using horizontal angle, vertical angle and sloping distances. As we know that the horizontal angle and vertical angles are not measured by the total station, they are calculated. As you can see here, these are the parts of total station, and this has different parts like telescope eyepiece and telescope focusing ring, etc., and display and keyboard, and battery mount clearly shows the face left and face right position of the total station. Now let us discuss about electronic notebook. It is used to store and retrieve data from different calculation, as it is the brain of total station, and it consists of functional menu, level menu, road menu, survey menu and coordinate geometry menu. Now let us go to accessories. It consists of control panel. Control panel consists of LCD display and keyboard. Geotronic unicom. This feature is to transfer speech from observer to follower if the observer is far away from the follower, and nickel cadmium batteries are used as power supply. Now prism. Actually corner cube prism is used. Prism ensures that transmitted wave is reflected back to the instrument, and red light, that is track light, is used as the medium of wave. Now application of total station. Calculation of areas and volumes are obtained, and setting out, traversing, remote elevations and remote distances are measured. It is used in contouring. Topographical mapping is obtained from total station. Now let us discuss advantages of total station. Total station can be interfaced with AutoCAD. At fast and precise works are done by total station. Multiple surveys can be done at a time. It is also used for the formation of geological information system. Now let us discuss about disadvantages. Actually, total station is very costly and it is very fragile. It is easily breakable and spherical coordinates cannot be measured. Prism height and instrument height is entered manually. Skilled person is required to operate the total station. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press on bell icon for more updates.